Right, YouTube, we are now live. Welcome, people. We got a lot to talk about. Obviously, I'm guessing you get out. Right, I'm just going to quickly show you my YouTube recommended. Hey, Ukrainian women, like normal. Gotta respect the Ukrainian women. Yeah, obviously there's a lot that went on over the weekend. Last night, I'm pretty sure. Yesterday, yeah, last night. So I think, yeah, we just gotta wait and see what happens. If they, obviously Iran, I'm guessing, are gonna retaliate. And if they retaliate, then obviously US said they're gonna absolutely obliterate them. But obviously Iran has Pakistan, Russia, China.
Pakistan,
Not
Zindabad.
What's that?
It's like Zindabad. I don't even know what it means.
Okay. Well, anyway, they've got a few allies, so be interesting to see what happens if they do retaliate. Then obviously they're going to be targeting all the US bases in Iran and the Middle East, I'm guessing. But I don't know how that will work. If Iran then obviously retaliate and attack the US bases that aren't in Iran and just in the Middle East, like if they fuck off into Saudi Arabia and then start shooting up in Saudi Arabia, then I don't know what would Saudi Arabia do. Just let them do it, or? But anyway, yeah, there's a lot of questions. So I mean, the main obviously question is: are they going to retaliate, or are they going to? That's it, finish it there and just pussy out. I mean, it's not pussying out, but yeah, not retaliate. But either way, I think we're going to see, obviously, US getting involved now. So we're going to see gold have a nice little move up today. Obviously, stock's down. So if you want to long-term get into some nice little stock plays, get investing, now is the perfect time. Let's just go on S&P 500, actually. Yeah, some good levels. I bought on Thursday, I'm pretty sure. At least I put the order in on Thursday, so I should have got in about 5,950. No, it's 5,940 I put. So these are just all the levels. I just slowly hedging. I just go on the 4 hour and just look at all the levels, candle closes. So every time we tap into one of these levels, I'll just buy a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Don't know why that's there. Maybe 1 hour. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. Right, let's get into some actual stuff. To be fair, I think this is most likely going to be a pretty damn quick stream because I don't think we had a little bit of movement, but nothing really kind of broke out. It wasn't the best week anyway. So let's just get into it. Did anyone take any trades? Tux, I know you took 2, right? 2 trades, 2 wins. Yeah, go on. You can flex those 2 wins real quick. Feel free. This is your time to fucking show off. 2 L's. Ooh. What did you take, Tate? I'm guessing it was gold. Let's see. These 2 trades. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, so that GU. Yeah, that was clean. Yeah, that was super clean. Did it breach this level? Or was it a good breach of this level? Or was it a... Okay, yep. Fuck, yeah, that's a nice setup.
Tux, did you get the counter for that GU? It did the 50 fib break retest plus 1.35 round number. No, the next break retest is the 50 fib of the move down. Yep. That would have been a solid counter.
Fuck up. Tate, you took a trade from Ruben.
Oh, fair enough.
I don't know if you're being serious. And gold was this by reason? This buy? Why did you enter here? I know the psych is there, but what is that level?
Psych.
Oh shit, it's just psych 25. Okay, so literally no level, just psych $25 move in. Oh shit, okay, I didn't know you were taking that. I thought like level was a guarantee type thing. I was going to say, why the fuck did you enter so goddamn high when the level's down here? But okay, I mean, fair. Okay, and you were just leveraging profits. Okay, so it's risk-free. Yeah, fair play. And that was a 1 to... No, it wasn't. No, it was a 1 to 1, 70-70. Yeah. Fair play. I mean, that works. Yeah, nice. Have you backtested or like got any data for this? Like just psych the move in. I know you've got a it just works. Fair play. I can't argue with that, can I? Okay. Is this the right live stream? Go. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, nice trades. Easy in the right situation. Yep. Hello, Ben. Hello. So right, getting into some analysis. Did anyone have anything on EA? Because I didn't. I mean, obviously you could have gone for that, but not a massive fan. Unless you want to go for it with like alignment timing or use it for alignment for something else. I didn't really like any of these retests. That was obviously okay, but with this candle close, it was a bit awkward. I'm pretty sure it retested twice, so it was a bit of a shit one. But I mean, no, it didn't work. Apart from that, I didn't really like any of these retests. Didn't take 61 because bad timing. Are you looking at that break retest? Yeah, okay, yeah, fair. No, I wasn't. I mean, 4 hours, okay, but not a massive fan of that. When did it tap? 6 o'clock. Yeah, right now I have absolutely nothing. If we see a nice close above this, and obviously I'll look at that. But still, this level could be used for alignment or whatever, so I'll keep it there. So obviously sells from this. This is a 61 fib of this move down. Just see. And then this is a 61 fib move up, and then that is it. If we do breach, and let's say theoretically we do see a push up to this, that'll line up nicely. If we push a little bit higher, if it did a bit of drawdown, we'd then have the break retest of this. So we do have a few little things that could play out. This is a really clean break retest if we get obviously a good break, and this level is pretty damn nice too. So we'll see what happens. Hello, Lytix. Hello. Your ends are D. We've not broken, but I mean, kind of closed at the level. So yeah, I mean, if we see a decent continuation and it just doesn't flop and come and immediately retest this, then obviously this will be a nice retest. Yeah, that's clean. That is so clean. I know obviously it wasn't a clean break, but still it's respected it, and you've kind of got that this secondary little shit retest now. So yeah, if we do see a continued move up and then nice, you know, candle body close of, you know, I don't know, somewhere around here, and then we see a retracement, that'd be beautiful. So that could be good. Obviously we've got this right now, that's completely valid as level. So does it line up? Of course it does. That's a 61 fib. So that is very, very, very clean. Obviously it's a bit awkward though for the level. 61% fib. That is a valid trade for me. Happy with that. So that is that. Apart from that, I don't really have anything else. Just ping these, make them all line up so it's nice and neat, you know, just because it looks pretty. Leon, did you see my latest payout? I did see your little TikTok. I was going to comment, but then I couldn't be bothered. I was going to comment. The 23k one. Yeah, I was going to make a comment, but I was like, oh yeah, no, I can't be asked right now. Yeah, that's all I've got for your ends of D. If anyone has anything different, fucking hell, different, let me know. Probably could have some 4-hour sells, because obviously there's nothing for 400 pips. So if we do go down to the 4-hour, oh, there's nothing even that nice, to be fair. You've got like this zone, which is that shitty break retest in this level. If you go to the hourly, you can probably see it a bit nicer. Yeah, it's I mean, yeah, not a fan though. Ever since Leon followed me, 40% of my views are from the UK. Fuck yes. And 90% of your followers are just fake Leons. Hell yeah. That's a Leon effect right there. You're welcome. That's it for your entity. GA. We came to this, so GA and GN both came to this level. I don't know if anyone took that, but I was more looking to use this level as alignment, not really take a trade from this. So obviously if we have a decent level that's tradable for another pair, then I would have obviously used these as alignment, but they both did tap. I don't know if they missed. Oh, they tapped at like Tuesday midnight. I mean, they worked, they missed, and then did like a 60 pip reaction, tapped, did a 60 pip reaction. So fair play. That one tapped bang on, did 55. So either way, you were hit and take profit. Maybe this one you could have missed if you go in 50-50 and entered a tiny bit early. I'll do my analysis, Tuxton, and look at yours. So that is obviously gone now. These levels are getting a little bit awkward. We broke the low, so that's beautiful. This completely validates that level, but then you have that. So if you're going for this one, that one is only 30 pips behind. So even obviously with timing or alignment, that is pretty damn close. And then you have this third one back here, which is fine because it's 80 pips away. So even if you did enter at the second one and wait for a breach of the first, you could go 50-50 and you're still chilling. And I'm not bothered about covering this up here. So obviously the safe bet here is just waiting for this top one, maybe entering about the middle. Obviously you can go less than 50. You can probably go potentially even 40, something like that. And that still gives you plenty of room. Or you can enter at the first level and maybe go 50. That still gives you 15 above that top level. So I think with timer alignment, well, obviously that's what we do every time. With timer alignment, it's not that bad because it's only 30 pips away. So I'm more than happy with that. Breach, I'm not asked. So that's it, timer alignment. Yeah, timer alignment, go for that. If we don't have timer alignment, I'll wait and I'll go for a bit of a later entry. Literally, it'll only make like a 20 pip difference. But yeah, without timer alignment, I'll enter a little bit higher. So, a dickhead. Do that. There we go. And that's breach previous. When does Ruben, his analyst role, get removed since he has 0% win rate? Ruben, do you have a 0% win rate? There ain't no way. That first one doesn't count technically because you didn't send it. So this one doesn't count. Fair play, but let's see trades. Okay, this one. Stop loss. One trade, one loss so far. Now we've got to give him some time. Wait until he gets like 3-5 trades. I have 100% win rate in MCR. Let's see. Come on. Wait, let's see like trades you've actually sent. Yep. Well, I guess you technically send them all because you have the positions.
Yeah, but there was this DJ sell which
DJ sells, here we go.
Profits. I closed in like 10-15 pips profits before weekly close, but it was one that would have delivered the move. This break retest is predefined.
Your shit's quite hard to take. Oh, actually, no, it's not. Never mind. I'm capping.
Yes, it did end up delivering the move anyways. And that's it. It's just them two trades.
Okay,
there is that UJ trade, but I was like, yeah, I'm not taking that. But oh yeah, and the CPI play as well.
Yeah, the top one worked, right? No, I don't know which one works. Bottom one, never mind. That was that.
Yeah.
Okay, fair play. Oh shit. Yeah, nope, fair play.
And then yeah.
Oh, Ruben, you're getting smoked, mate. And Ollie is also 100%. I think he's just taking that. I think it was just a GU trade, right? Gold. GU.
Look at him on the arrows as well.
Hey. To be fair, it doesn't update like if there's. Is that 1 hour? Yeah, it has to be 1 hour. That ain't daily. That's a daily.
No, it's 4 hour.
4 hour.
Gold 4 hour.
Yeah, surely some of these must have tapped or something. Yeah, these buyers did, but I'm guessing he didn't say. Ah, never mind. I'm lying. He did update it. Oh, yeah, it did update him. Okay, sound. First buy valid. TP hit. Okay, so Ollie's 1 for 1. Unlucky, Ruben. You got until the end of the month. You got another week. Ruben rage quit. Oh, he actually did. He left. Oh, pussy hole. Oh, God. Just wait, though. If he, like, finishes this week with, like, another 2 trades, 2 losses, oh, I'm going to go absolutely fucking in. Payback for all the times he's fucking trying to rage bait me and fucking trolling and shit. Have you had to some? I don't know what he's chatting out. Anyway, right. Oh yeah, Tux. Let me see your analysis. What the fuck? Ooh, hell nah. Hell no. Do you not... Are you not bothered about the stop loss situation?
That's a bit of a sticky one still.
Because your stop loss is literally... Oh, wait.
Changed it quickly.
Ah, now you've changed it. Okay, I see. Why are you entering so low for this? Because that looks like a very low entry. Candle close. What, 4 hour? Refined. Since when were you doing the candle body close? 1 hour candle body close entry? Are you doing that on every trade or just this one? No, 4 hour. Yeah, are you entering on like candle body closes for everything, or is it just some... Like, when would you refine it to the 4 hour? Because I've not seen you do that before. When I can't find another entry.
But if it's something like this,
Okay.
you refine it to the time frame lower, so you'd probably be better off doing it 1 hour. Let's check if that's like 25 pips before the top, then you
I'd
can get
say
away with
like...
it only like 5-10 pips under.
Yeah. God damn, bro, that isn't...
That is fucked.
Can't be... It can't be 4 hour. I'm guessing you'll find it to... different broker. What broker do you use, Tux? See, that's the only thing though, like, depending on every single broker, the candle body close is going to be different. Right now, I don't actually know. No, I think IC Markets is like, it's back or forward an hour. So the candle body close doesn't actually line up compared to other brokers or some shit. That's 41 pips. That's very, very early. Like, the way Rich does it is he refines it up until it's max 30 pips. So 4 hour is 43. You won't do that. You'd go to the 1 hour. That's still 42. And you'd go lower and lower until it's refined to less than 30 pips. All these are a bit fucked. This is such a good example, Leon. Well done. So I guess there, you'd refine it to that. Because I don't know, yeah, no, that's a bit of an awkward one. Because entering 41 pips before the level is crazy. And then by the looks of it, you're only covering it by 20 max, 10? No, I don't know. But then your stop loss is in the entry of the next trade as well. Are you doing 1%, 1%? Or is it... I don't know. Having a stop loss in the entry of the next trade is always a sticky one. It's a bit fucked. Yeah, no, that's true. It's just I think this management is a bit scuffed. From my point of view, at least. Why don't you just... do it with the bigger risk reward and go for this play. Then do... So this, the way I would look at an entry, right? This is 2.1, the psych level. So I could go, right, enter 5 pips before the psych, but I'm not going to go 5. I may as well go more because it's, I can give it more. So I'd go, right, okay, so 2099. I'd then go a tiny bit below. So I'll make sure I get tagged. So I'll go like 98. Right, I mean, let's say we go 4040. Let's say we go 987. There you go, that's perfect. So I'd go something like this. And then obviously your stop loss is pretty much on the second level. So it's either you go like this, or we can then do the split. And then for the split, well, I'd work out where my entry is for this. That's 3. So let's say we go 0.2, I'd go 1 pip below. Let's say we go 1.9. And then again, I'd go 20. So that's perfect. And I'd go like that. So that'd be my trade. And I'd go 0.5 risk on each. That's how I'd probably approach it. Well, I'm not because I do it differently. But that's like, if I was taking both trades, that's how I'd approach it. Oh shit, no, shit, sorry. That's how I'd approach it. So then obviously you're risking 0.5 to gain 0.25 and 0.5 to gain... Ooh, is that... That might not actually be that good. That's 0.9 and 2.5. So you're risking 1 to gain 1.1, 1.2-ish. It's not that good. Yeah. I guess that is targeting 40. If you did go 50, which it's easy going to do, it then completely changed it. Completely changes it, sorry. That's then 1. And that's 1.35. Don't really change that much. I don't know. Yeah, it's just... like when you have your stop loss in the next level or within the entry of the next trade, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let's see how it goes anyway. It'll probably just miss everyone's entry, so see what happens. Right, let's crack on. That's it. Never mind. That is literally it. There is nothing else. We've got the same situation here. It's gonna smash it. Hopefully, and then we just go to this one. That'd be the fucking nice. Aussie dollar weakness. On the back of risk off. Wait. One sec, am I tripping? Wednesday. Oh yeah, no, never mind. Yeah, no, but bro, I don't know. Yeah, ignore me. I was just working something out in my head. Anyway, oh shit, that. Wait, there's no way I missed that. Did any of you take that? IG. Hmm, 3, 4, 10. Huh? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Damn! 3, 4, 10. Obviously, it's not super accurate. Last time, it was $10 off. So it said it done 20, it only done like 10, 12. So it's saying 3, 4, 10, which is a $40 move. So it might do like $30. That's crazy. 1 hour, is that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, mental. But I'll send the link in. It missed. Really? Bro, that's such a fucking clean setup. Would you cancel it off of that? I wouldn't. Would I? It was too wide for me. How was that too wide? Wait, what do you mean 31 pips apart? What, from the fib to the level? Yeah, but if you go in a 50, maybe just go entry higher then. 30 max. I don't really stick by that rule, to be honest. If it's still the 61 fib, let's say this was 70 pips, I'd just do that. Because then technically if it tapped into it, the 61 fib's still a confluence. I don't know. Done 8 pips just below. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know, because it technically didn't tap into the level. I don't know. I guess it depends on market conditions. And anyway, it tapped at like... Oh, I had Friday timing as well, though. It tapped at almost 3 o'clock. That had Friday timing. Friday timing is like the sexiest thing. I mean, to be fair, it hovered until 8 o'clock. So that was actually shit, but... yeah. Anyway. Now what? Anyone have anything? 100 pip moving on the day too. Yeah, one of them. We got that. Anyone like this? Gen boring. This has... I mean, time and alignment, I might give it a go. Come on. There we go. Time and alignment. Or I guess if we see a breach of that and a decent move in, I will actually go for this. So, time alignment breach. Apart from that, that's it. Let me set that a little bit lower. There we go. GJ. Okay, GJ is a bit of an awkward run right now. You do have... I wouldn't go for that. This is potential. This level. So, this is getting shit for GJ, isn't it? Well, it hasn't broken the high, so it needs to break the high first. So if we see a close above the high, then I will potentially attempt this. Right now, obviously I'm not, because it's technically created a level and retested it and then fucked off. So right now, I'd wait for a breach above this, and then I'd be interested in that. Even without the fib, I would potentially go for that. All of these zones here are getting a little bit skew-iff now. This one still has the EMA. This one potentially has the EMAs now as well, 20 pips away. This one, let's say we did go for this and it had time and alignment after we breached this. You could possibly go... I don't know. Either way, I think it's okay, because you're still... I mean, you're only another 25 pips away. See, if we saw a breach of this, would you guys go for that? I think you kind of have to. Yeah, you would. Okay, yeah. But what I hate is when you have zones like right next to each other, like this, 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 and this. Because theoretically, if this breaches, you go for this. If this breaches, you go for this. If this breaches, you go for this. If we see a fucking sweep, that's 3% down, bam, just like that. And that scares the shit out of me. And it doesn't, but... I don't know.
That's why, you know, the first trade that you take on GJ for me, and especially in zones like this, would have to be overextended already. So the first trade is overextended over 250 pips one way. Then even if it does get breached, then the backup is now 300 pips up after a breach of 2 levels. So it will do the profit taking move somewhere, but then again, it does depend on the risk sentiment.
Of course, yeah. But either way, I don't think I'll take that top one. No matter what, even if we have alignment timing, I think I'll wait for this lower entry, just because this entire area is a bit sketch. So I'll play it safe and go for, I don't know, mid entries between these two. But of course, it would be nice if we breach this before we come back down. Apart from that, obviously these are all breach previous, breach previous, breach previous. This one has the EMAs, which is nice. This one technically will have the EMA within the stop loss, which is nice. So yeah, I mean, there's no point really marking anything up yet. I'll wait and see what happens. These are the same. First one's time and alignment, and then breach. So yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens at market open anyway. UJ ended up coming to this level. Tux, I know you like that one, right? Which it tapped not at a good time. I'm guessing you didn't take that. Oh, you would have told us actually, so never mind. But yeah, UJ has been pretty dog recently, so what do I have? This entire zone is fucking ugly. Look at that mess. To be honest, I don't really have anything. If I look at that, I literally don't have anything. I just want some sort of break out of this. That's what I want. Obviously, break and retest of this would be nice. Break and retest of this may be okay. Not the best, but okay. So break retest of this would be beautiful. If we just see a clean break. If market opens... my camera's going to turn off. If market opens and we see obviously a decent gap up or something... Wait, no, JPY, we're on UJ. Oh, that's an awkward one. Anyway, if we gapped up or pushed up or whatever, then obviously we'd have the gap plus the retest, which is nice. That's a double little whammy there.
Or even if the highs, the 148.6 highs, if they deliver 38 break retest, that'll be solid.
As in what? As in this? What are we talking about?
Yeah.
That, yeah. Okay, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, 100%. So yeah, I'm not really interested in any of these buys unless we somehow have a decent ass move in straight into the lower these levels. Then yeah, sure, I may give it a go, but we're going to need a breach of all this mess first, because obviously covering all these and managing these is a bit shit. So I'd rather just wait and play it safe, because this zone is horrible. Yeah, that's it for UJ really. This hasn't changed. Gold, I think a lot of people got absolutely bummed last week because they were just impatient and taking shitty trades. If you look on the 1 hour, crazy. Did eventually break down, but still, just this entire price action, I don't think, if apart from this buy down here, if you look at within this price, has there been a single good 1 hour trade? I was gonna say you could have had the break retest, but messy, weird break. Did retest, but obviously missed. You could have the break retest buy. That could have been, that's actually the first clean potential trade. Apart from that, there isn't a single trade in this, unless obviously you're looking at this thing. I don't think there's a single possible trade, unless you're playing it a bit risky. What's that?
You're drawing a penis. Press
wait,
Control Z 2 times.
Oh shit. That was close. You never posted in health. By the way, Tate, I did actually go to the gym today. I still have my gym shorts on though. Lazy ass. That is my first session back in about a month, so. And you've actually convinced me, Tate. Well, this is an interesting decision. I'm selling my mountain bike, right? I can probably sell it for about 1.5, maybe 2. I'm either buying a road bike or I'm buying a watch. Interesting decision to make, but I just don't want to buy a road bike and I don't fucking use it. No, but I won't actually buy a watch for 1.5. I'll put money towards it and actually buy something good.
0% finance.
0% finance type shit. You know Cartier, right? Trafford Centre, Cartier do 0% finance. How cool is that? So I'm going to have to get a watch on finance just so I can flex. Oh, unless it's the shop itself. What's the shop called? Don't know what it's called. £150 a month, crazy. There's no way I can get it for £150 a month. 0% APR, come on. How much is the skeleton one compared to this?
It's like 89.
Oh. Oh my, are you seeing that green strap? Oh, that's only £139 a month. PayPal credit. Oh. What do you reckon? This or a bike? No, I can't do that, can I? My girlfriend would not talk to me for at least a month. She would be pissed. Like, pissed. Nah, I don't know. I won't buy one from a company like this though. Fucking hell, they probably had about a 50% margin. You're paying £172 a month for this. Are you actually being serious? I mean, it's nice. I don't know. I'm not a massive fan of Omega. Or fucking...
No fucking way. That's fucking 6 grand, bro.
No.
That is crazy, bro.
Out of all the watches you could... For 6k you went with this?
That is fucked.
Are you being serious? Are you actually being serious? It's not like fake or matches my bike. Matches my bike. That's crazy. You actually pay, yeah, okay, so, okay, you actually pay monthly for it. Okay, so it's not too bad then. Someone else is paying monthly as well. That is crazy, £172 a month. 0% interest is actually good though. That's pretty crazy. But out of everything, was this just like a spontaneous decision? Just fuck it, I want a nice watch, went and bought this, or was this like if I'm spending 6k on something, I'm researching every single option. I'm getting like the best possible watch for my money. Omega returns. Tuck, that's horrible. But I don't know, for 6k. Oh, he's not replied in a few seconds. We probably made him cry. Is a returns policy or not? No, I'm playing. Oh, he's in Tesco's getting scranned. Yeah, that's the usual one. And go in that colour. No, I feel like that's a bit of an awkward colour to wear match. Like I'd only get like a white or dark grey face, not grey. Very white, black, or dark grey face, so then it can match literally any colour. Orange one, hell no. Because I'd only wear that with like certain outfits, because I'm a twat. Okay, so if you do it, I can do it. All to match my hair, right? Fuck. Right. The man, do you think I'm ginger, by the way? Oh, he's not even here. Oh, he's left. Fucking twat. Oh, you guys are going to love the podcast with Naman, by the way. There's absolute chaos. It was fun. Anyway, gold. There's no... Realistically, why am I doing an analysis on this? Yeah. YouTube, I'm going to stop it there because I'm probably just going to chat shit for 10 minutes and look at watches. But thanks for hopping in. Wait, no, I didn't even talk about the fucking situation. Oh, wait, no, I shouldn't do that on... Oh, yeah, that's already happened. I shouldn't talk about that on the... Oh, fucking hell. We got all the PMIs. I didn't know that. PMIs, little CAD CPI, Mr. Bailey, and Powell. CPI, no more Bailey on unemployment. CAD GDP, okay.